welcome to my channel From Cheap to Chic. My name is Sharon. Thank you so much for coming to watch this video. Today I have an unboxing from BeeBee Craft. I had worked with them a long time ago and decided to reach out and see if I could work with them again. I'm going to share some products with you right now. If you have over 100 subscribers on your channel, you can apply for a YouTube partner program. They will look at your channel and decide if your channel meets their criteria to share some of their products. All of those links will be in the description. All the links for the products and stuff will be in the description, and I'll come back later on with some projects to share with you. Okay, so this is some dies, and I cannot even wait to play with this. I am going to have a giveaway when I have this project, so stay tuned for that. This is a specimen card. What makes a specimen card, and I think that this one does the same, or no, this is like a little file folder maybe. So I can't really remember. This says specimen right here, and then this is like, you know, your movie, what's that called? Film reel. Some of you probably don't remember that, but most of us probably do. So y'all be coming back with a project, and stay tuned for a giveaway for that. And then I got these little envelopes. These are so cute. So there's 4 of these. So you already have your little spot here to hang your dangle. Look how cute this is. And then you've got a little pocket back here. It's got a little cutout notch. You can use this for anything. Send an ATC in a swap, decorate this, and you can see that it has like a sparkle to it. Isn't that cute? All right, so you'll have to come back and check out the projects with this. And then I picked up this. Ooh, look how pretty this is. And this is like a net. It's soft. It's not like the mesh. It's like net. Cannot wait to do a project with this. And you can see how much is here. So plenty to share with some of my friends. This is glitter paper, 10 sheets, ideal for craft projects and scrapbooking. 250 GSM. It is so pretty and a pretty good thick paper. Look at these beautiful colors. Silver, gold, and I love that it's not that real thick glitter. Black. Ooh, look how gorgeous that rose gold is. I hope the camera is giving that justice, because that is gorgeous. Red. Now that's a little bit more of a different glitter than what this is. Ooh, this is like that smooth glitter. I love that. Blue, and then a gold. This is such a pretty paper. I have to order some of this just order off my own pocket, right? And then the last thing I have is this die here. And it is a palm tree, and it's this turtle. Here's another, I think this is another turtle, sea turtle. Oh my goodness, it's so adorable. Yeah, so you'll have to come back and make sure you come back and see the projects with all of these wonderful things that I picked out from BeeBee Craft. If you are interested, like I said, in working with them on your channel, I'll put that link in the description, and you can sign up and try that. And if not, if you just want to order some of their products, I've got a discount code for you. I will have that across the screen. I will have it in the description. I'll also pin it in the comments. You can use that discount code off their already low prices. So many items for crafting. Dyes, stamps, paper, materials, trims, ribbon, all kinds of stuff. For all your crafting needs, you should check out BeeBee Craft. All right, make sure you come back and watch the projects. There's going to be a giveaway with one of these videos. Thank you all so much. I hope you have a fantastic morning, noon, afternoon, evening, night, whatever time of day it is you're watching this video. I hope you're having fun. Thank you. Bye.